So we've got another solution to a common problem here. We've got a complex set of soldered joints and we want to resolder one of these fittings because there's a leak. A standard traditional heat mat wouldn't have the hole in the centre, so that would be fine for an application like this down here, where you can rest it against the floor, you can get your tool, tie up, and you can work away on a soldered joint. But when you've got a joint here that's up off the floor, what would normally happen is you'd have to hold your traditional mat in place, because if you let it go, it falls away, there's nowhere to prop it. You look at the pipe clips here and you prop it, but it's too small, you've not got a big enough area. That's why the Omat was designed. This hole in the centre and the split allows you to place that over the pipe, pull it back through again, and then move that into place there, and freeze your hands up then to do the soldering. So again, you can work away on the soldered joint, you'd be here with your solder and flux, but you've got both hands free using the Omat.